Hi, Nadeem here from Smart Riding. I'm out today with the Alienrider M2 QR smart display system. Now what that is this display here that you see, the 6.2-inch display, which is CarPlay, Android Auto, but it's also got tire pressure monitors, 2x dash cams and a blind spot detector. So it's a complete system. And the price is pretty good on these. I think at the moment it's about $500, but there is a discount code in the description for this, and that'll give you about 20% off. So it really is a bargain system for everything that you get. And it is a high quality system. It's not like a cheap system. It's pretty well made. I mean, I've been using this one now. I've done about 5,000 miles with it. Done couple of long trips, and then I've done a lot of short trips in between as well as just the normal stuff, you know, just riding around here and there. So, and before this I had the Alienrider M2 Max, which was a predecessor to this unit, which is also still available. I mean, if you don't need the quick release, then the M2 Max is a pretty good system as well. And I used that one for over a year, and I never had any issues with that unit either, and I've not had any with this one. So it's a reasonably good system. And even if you don't want all the things, like, you know, maybe you don't want tire pressure monitors, that's fine, but at the price point you're getting this at, it's still worth just taking the entire system, in my opinion. I mean, my BMW has got tire pressure monitors, but this comes with them anyway, so I fitted them as well, because I can see it on this display as well as on my BMW display. So I've got that information at two different points then on the bike, and just in case one of them fails, the other one will be working. The blind spot detector, in my opinion, is one of the best that I've used, and I've used a few now, and it's pretty accurate and it works really well. And it's handy on long journeys, especially if you're on highways, motorways or whatever. You know, it's pretty handy because you're sitting in the inside lane and you're not looking in your mirrors all the time. This lets you know when someone is coming up close to you, behind you, etc. So it's very handy to have. I mean, if you haven't seen it in use, look at one of my other videos. Go into the Alienrider playlist on the YouTube channel, and that will show you the blind spot detector in use on this bike with this system. I'm using CarPlay. Everything works as you would expect. I mean, to pair your iPhone to this takes about 60 seconds, no longer than that, and it all just works. So I've not had any problems with that either. On some units you can have where CarPlay or Android Auto keeps dropping out. I've not had that at all with this unit, and I've done riding days of 10, 11 hours at a time, and I've not had any problems. I have had other units that did cause problems where it just kept resetting and then trying to reconnect. This has never done that. Neither did the M2 Max, the unit before this that I had on the bike. That didn't do it either. So it's fairly reliable in use, if that makes sense. I mean, these things become important as, you know, rather than just the one-off reviews you see from influencers and stuff where they just take the bike out, they fit it, take it out for a quick ride and say, oh, this is wonderful. At the minimum, I tend to ride the system for at least 2 to 3 weeks before I'll do a review. I mean, I might do an initial review saying this is my first impression review, I've just fitted it, but then there will be follow-up reviews in a couple of weeks, and then a month's time, and then 6 months' time. And of course, if there's any issues, then I report them as well and say, okay, this has gone wrong or that's gone wrong. Overall, the Alienrider M2 QR is an excellent system to have on your bike. Like I said, watch the videos for the blind spot detector and the other bits and pieces that I've done, and there's a complete fitting guide as well, you know, so it's not that difficult to fit either. It's pretty easy, really, in my opinion. Like I said, there's a discount code in the description that will give you 20% off anyway. But other than that, if you have any other questions about the unit, just put them in the comments. Thanks.